You ever have one of those weeks where your workflow doesn't break, it actively fights you? Yeah, this is the chaos I couldn't film because every time I picked up the phone to record it, something broke that needed the phone to fix it. Let's talk about that. The Optiplex had been dying for months. USB stack issues, webcam playing peekaboo. One day it was there giving me everything, the next day Linux doesn't even recognize the driver. Windows updates that claimed they were making Windows run smoother, but somehow turned the PC into a zombie. I spent more hours in Windows recovery screens than actually making videos. That's when you know your workflow is no longer a workflow, it's a hostage situation. So finally I said it couldn't possibly get worse, and I installed Linux Zorin, fast, clean, responsive. When the hardware and the OS are working together, Windows can hold its own in video creation, but only when Microsoft stays in its lane and don't reset everything. But the Optiplex and Linux, they didn't see eye to eye at first. The first 2 days were rough. Boot repairs, kernel panics, crashes, thermal commands that felt like cutting, terminal commands that felt like cutting the wrong wire in a bomb movie. I learned very quickly you have to be careful with terminal commands. One wrong dash and you're rebuilding your whole bootloader at 2 a.m. Then the webcam started disappearing again. Linux would see it, then it not see it, then it see it, then not see it. So I switched to the smartphone as a webcam and a mic without using the PC. And that actually works until I need the phone to look up fixes for the next crash. So I couldn't film that chaos. The chaos needed the phone more than the camera did. But here's the thing. That chaos forced the rebuild. It pushed me into a new niche. It made me rethink everything. It made me rebuild my workflow from the ground up. And once I tamed the HP Desk Pro, everything changed. Video workflow stabilized, editing got smoother, the hybrid setup became reliable. And in that last 2 months of editing, my skills have come a long way. This whole mess taught me something. Sovereignty isn't about having a perfect tool, it's about adapting when the tool is failing. It's about rebuilding when the workflow snaps. It's about taking back control of your digital life, even when the chaos tries to stop you from filming it. So now I want to hear from your chaos. Want to hear your chaos stories. What was the moment your workflow completely fell apart? Drop in the comments. Your experience might inspire the next rebuild. Like, follow, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll be back.